A stunning custom renovation invites you to enjoy the stone landscaped entrance, gated front patio, leaded glass front door and wooden arbor awning on back patio with walled courtyard vista. The cathedral great room's central focus is the marble fireplace with gas logs, framed with a stunning walnut mantel with dentil molding, and features an alcove with built-in cabinets and bookcases and skylights. The formal dining room with crown molding opens to a chef's kitchen with custom cabinets, granite tops and stainless appliances, with a large trimmed arch opening to a cozy den with views of the private landscaped patio. Main level primary bedroom suite features a walk-in shower with glass doors, large linen closet and walk-in closet. Gleaming hardwood floors and carpet in the bedrooms. Bathrooms with new floors and handsome vanities and granite tops. Guest bedroom number 2 on main level features a tub and shower. Bedroom number 3 features a private bath plus extra storage closets. Classy powder room and separate laundry room with washer and bathrooms with new floors and handsome vanities and granite tops. Guest bedroom number 2 on main level features a tub and shower. Bedroom number 3 features a private bath plus extra storage closets. Classy powder room and separate laundry room with washer and dryer. Beautiful finishes, architectural trims, plantation shutters and impressive features in every room. Only in the Westlands, enjoy a casual lifestyle with newly renovated clubhouse, pool and tennis courts, gated security and impressive landscaped grounds. Visit the westlands.com website for more information.